You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning nightclub. So how do you say nightclub in French? In France it is said as club de nuit. Club is French for club, so it's a similar word, comes from English. De nuit. Nuit, the T is silent. Nuit, nuit, nuit. Silent T, that's French for night. Club de nuit, you could say, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, club de nuit. Club de nuit or club de nuit. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.